Hi, it's Joe. I want to do an unboxing video of this DD-797 Cushing U.S. Navy destroyer. This is a 1/700 scale Waterline series from Tamiya. I've never done one of these before, and I don't think I built a ship since I was probably a teenager or even a little kid, so it should be interesting. Also, the scale of this is really small, so that should be interesting too. I'm not sure if I'm going to be painting on the camouflage by hand or if I'm going to be masking it off. Really not sure. I need to take a look at it and decide. Sitting beside this model kit in the hobby shop was an aircraft carrier, and I thought about getting that, but I figured I should start off with something a little bit smaller first. So we're just going to have to see how this goes. But maybe there'll be an aircraft carrier build in the future. I really love the box art on this. Shows the ship sailing away with a convoy. And you could probably use the waves as reference for a diorama if you decided to do one. Inside the box there's a set of sprues, as well as some directions and other things on paper. So let's take a look at this. So a lot of this is in Japanese, as to be expected. And it looks like it's mostly just warnings and advice not to burn yourself or your house down, that type of thing. So I don't need to look at this, I'm a professional. So let's open this up. So it looks like we just have 3 sprues in here. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of parts, although the parts are very small. Although small, the molding looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the details. On sprue A we have the ship bottom part. We have a mast, some lifeboats, and some of the stacks. On sprue B we have the main part of the ship hull, some of the decks, and other various bits on here. Some guns. And then on this sprue here, got some more decks. Also have some decals here, some flags and some numbers. Looks like you might have 2 options on how to build this up. And the actual directions are inside of the bag, and here it is. Again, mostly in different language here. But there's a paint guide right here. But if you notice when I opened the box, there was one on there, and I think I'm probably going to use that one because that one's actually in color. And here's the assembly. So lots of small parts on here. And even though there's not a lot of steps, there's a lot of different things to do in each step. But I think we'll be fine with it. We'll just take our time and we'll get through it. Well, I can't wait to get started on this one.